XRP news, the most important XRP and SEC update in history, has been leaked by Jeremy Hogan. Jeremy Hogan, a crypto legal specialist, has stated what he believes is Ripple's greatest defense against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, in the XRP litigation. Today, we're going to go through Jeremy Hogan's most recent XRP SEC case update. So stay tuned till the finish of the video because today's video is going to be a bomb. Welcome to the XRP Hut, where you can get your daily XRP fix. This is the place to go if you're interested in all things XRP. If you want to remain up to speed on all the latest XRP news and forecasts, as well as stay one step ahead in the crypto world, subscribe. Make sure to like us on Facebook so we can keep you updated on the latest XRP news. Remember to enable all notifications to participate in our weekly cash giveaway in the comments. Let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of XRP is doing on November 25th before we get into our topic. The digital coin was trading at $1.04 at the time of recording with no increases, while the market capitalization is around $48,647,079,280. The 24-hour transaction volume was $3,252,825,117. From $1.03 to $1.07, the price of XRP has fluctuated along the bandwidth. The significant pump after breaching the trend line should be predicted around $1.2, driving the price to $1.96 and towards the highs of almost 240% from the local support at $0.87, according to an industry proponent. The bullish phase might be triggered by strong daily support zones around $0.95, $0.80, and $0.60, according to the proponent. On the other hand, if local support is lost, the price may fall much higher. A breakthrough from the trend line, according to another expert, might be a good place to place purchase orders. Let us now return to our original topic. According to a new legal filing by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the use of requests to foreign authorities is especially significant in the SEC v. Ripple action because the SEC has not been able to receive much information about XRP from Ripple. Ripple urged earlier last month that the SEC stop requesting information on Ripple and XRP from international regulators. According to a recent letter from SEC Attorney Jorge Tenrero to U.S. Magistrate Judge Sarah Netburn, Ripple's request was devoid of any legal authority, and that the SEC discovery requests to international authorities were lawful. The SEC claims that it has legal authority to utilize requests for assistance in civil cases because they are requests, not subpoenas enforceable by federal courts, and so are not forbidden by the federal rules of civil procedure. The defendants, Ripple Labs, its CEO Brad Garlinghouse, and Executive Chairman Chris Larsen, had previously agreed to furnish the SEC with information collected from third parties as well as a list of types of material the SEC had requested from foreign authorities, according to Tenrero. An opinion restricting the use of requests or requiring the disclosure of communications with foreign regulators could have wide-ranging negative implications for the SEC across a wide range of governmental actions, where the agency pursues cross-border cooperation to protect the United States capital markets and investors, Tenrero wrote. There is no reason to hinder the compilation of a complete factual record, since the defendants have access to all of the documents gathered by the SEC and a full chance to oppose their admissibility in court. The request of the defendants should be refused. The SEC recent court filing comes in response to Ripple's request earlier this month for a judge to order the SEC to cease utilizing memorandums of understanding, MOU, requests to foreign authorities for discovery on information concerning Ripple and XRP, the native cryptocurrency of Ripple Labs' XRP ledger. The SEC use of MOU requests for discovery, according to Ripple, were beyond the boundaries of the federal rules of civil procedure and amounted to an end run around this court. The MOU process involves a foreign securities regulator in the discovery process, which has a significant impact on the recipient of the requests, including Ripple's overseas business partners, and amounts to an unwarranted intimidation tactic, Ripple's lawyers wrote in an April 16 letter to the judge. Baseless claims of misconduct may make for wonderful headlines, but they do not prove bias, the SEC said to Ripple. Tenrero also noted that the SEC was not the only party in the case to seek documents other than Rule 45 subpoenas, pointing out that Ripple had filed Freedom of Information Act requests for documents relating to Bitcoin, Ether, and XRP. Unlike the requests, FOIA requests require the SEC to produce certain documents and may be pursued in court, even while, as here, the parties are litigating the very same issue before this court, Tamiro wrote. As a result, defendants claim that the SEC is collecting documents outside of this court's power to oversee discovery is deceptive. The letter to Judge Netburn is the newest battleground in the SEC action against Ripple over discovery, with each side attempting to limit what material must be disclosed with the other. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, sued Ripple in December, saying that its sale of XRP constituted an unregistered securities offering worth over $1.38 billion. The SEC also listed Chris Larson, Ripple's executive chairman, and Brad Garlinghouse, the company's CEO, as co-defendants for allegedly aiding and abetting Ripple's crimes. Going on for over a year. Both parties have had successes throughout that time, but the matter has yet to be resolved. A U.S. court dismissed Ripple's request for records detailing the SEC crypto activity in September. XRP holders requested to be named as defendants in the lawsuit, but District Judge Annalisa Torres decided against it. These fresh developments emerged when Ripple gave the U.S. regulatory authorities over 1 million Slack messages. In this legal struggle, Ripple also won some successes. Ripple blocked the SEC from obtaining papers related to its legal concerns about XRP. In May, the corporation also prevailed after the SEC requested access to the company's leaders' personal financial data. Ripple had stated that once the legal struggle with the SEC was over, it planned to go public. That concludes today's discussion. Finally, we like to point out that this isn't a channel dedicated to providing financial advice, and we don't advise you to invest in any particular firm. This is simply a channel for delivering instructional information to your doorstep. With that in mind, we urge that you conduct rigorous broad-spectrum study on the subject before investing in anything. Guys, that concludes today's video. Also, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. On XRP Hut, we'll see you next time.